Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system, safety first. Once done, ground yourself to avoid static damage and remove the access panel. You need a clear view of the SSD and its standoff. Examine whether it's screw-mounted or a snap-in post so you know which tool to use. Make sure to work in good light and keep screws organized. Don't waste time. Identify the standoff head and orientation now, so the next action is precise and controlled. You proceed to removal based on what you found. If it's a screw-mounted standoff, steady the SSD and use the correct driver to turn counterclockwise. This prevents stripping and preserves threads. If it's a press fit or snap post, grip the base gently with needle nose pliers and pull straight out to avoid bending the drive or board. Once loosened, make sure to support the SSD so it doesn't drop, and set all small parts aside in a labeled container. You finish by inspecting the mounting hole and standoff seat for damage or debris. Cleaning these areas ensures proper contact and alignment. Reinstall the SSD or new standoff in reverse order, snugging screws without over-tightening so you don't crack the PCB. Once done, close the case and power up to verify recognition. If the drive won't align or the standoff won't seat, check for bent metal or leftover plastic. Replace the defective standoff and retry, and you'll avoid recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.